now this is the first lever.
हाँ जी.
I'll not say the button. This is the lever actually because
Okay.
that's what makes this stand out. You know. So
Huh.
once you press this, you get into S plus, then the racetrack,
Okay.
then the snow or wet. Okay.
Alright.
So this is normal. Now we are driving normal. Okay.
Okay. हाँ, आवाज
This
में
is
फर्क
normal.
आया.
Huh?
आवाज में फर्क आ गया.
Yeah, this is normal. Now if we put S plus, if you want to test the performance of the car,
Okay.
then you have to put it in S plus. You cannot test the performance in normal mode.
Okay.
So either the racetrack or the S plus.
ठीक है.
We have just touched 180 in this traffic.
हाँ.
तो वही that's what I mean. अगर ये ओपन वो जयपुर हाईवे और वो मुंबई हाईवे होगा ना,
हाँ.
easily we can touch 200, 220. Like I've taken Mustang to Rohtang, I've taken Mustang to Gujarat, roads of heaven. Long run. Like, you know, when I used to go, we used to take halt in between about 300, 400, 500 kilometers, and then we keep on going like that, and we try to cover as much as places. Because once you go on a long drive, then only you will come to know the actual efficiency of your car. And you should have a good driving style as well when
Yes.
you're going on the long run. So that is the reason I'm telling you that when I used to go on a long run, I used to get about 9 average,
Alright.
9, 10 also sometimes. Now it all depends what terrain is it. If it's like, you know, mountain, then you will get a bit less, 6 to 7 on long run. Otherwise in cities also I'm getting about 5, 6 normal. Even if when I'm putting some pops and bangs in between, then also I used to get around 5 to 6. So as I told earlier, it's all about your driving style. You minimize the brake
हाँ जी.
and you will get the mileage.
मैंने एक चीज़ नोट की, ये जो इंटीरियर है अगर आप देखो, ऐसा लगता नहीं है कि इसमें इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहिए थी या रिक्वायरमेंट है कुछ. एंड्रॉइड ऑटो एंड एप्पल कारप्ले का बस थोड़ा सा ये लगता है
वो
थोड़ा.
है. That is modern thing. So now that is wireless.
तो
So
वो चीज़ एक थोड़ा सा लगा. तो एम करते हैं भाई 10,000 सब्सक्राइबर के लिए विद इन 3 मंथ्स. अगर आप ऐसी प्यार दिखाते रहोगे, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कमेंट करते रहोगे, तो डेफिनेटली हम और ग्रो होंगे तो हम आपको और ज़्यादा कंटेंट ला के दे सकते हैं.
yeah, like, share, comment, and you will see much more coming with new vision and new upgrades. Okay. See you guys.